Today we're going to take a look at this nice aluminum table tripod by BeStableCam that I picked up from Amazon. What's up guys, and welcome to the Dim Sum Tech, where I review some stuff that I bought, helping you get the best bang for your buck and dim sum. So don't forget to subscribe to get more tech and hashtag #DadLife tips. So some of you already know that I have a DJI Osmo Mobile 2 that I use with my iPhone to make some smooth and stable footage. But there are times when I want to put down my DJI Osmo Mobile 2 on a table to, let's say, use the tracking feature to track myself or make a motion time-lapse where the gimbal will direct my phone during the time-lapse, adding some drama. Bringing a big tripod is not ideal for me because I want to be portable with the gimbal. So I went to Amazon and searched for the DJI Osmo tripod. Then I found out the cost for it. It's freaking 55 bucks. Instead, I got this aluminum mini tripod from BeStableCam, which only costs me $13. 13 bucks. I just saved $42 buying an off-brand tripod. But is it any good? Well, the short answer is yes. There is no plasticky material or anything that makes me think that this is a cheap knockoff tripod. It is solid but also lightweight, weighing in at 84 grams. It's got 1/4-inch titanium screws. It offers rubber lining on the mount and the base of each leg, adding grip to the surface you're setting it on. It's really impressive how it can bear weight up to 5.8 pounds. And when it's folded, it's only 5.5 inch long. I also use this for my time-lapse rig with my iPhone, which will tip over without it. This is how it looks with the DJI Osmo Mobile setup. All in all, skip DJI's tripod, save your money, and get this one instead. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave a link for this in the description box down below, so you can go check it out, as well as my gears that I recommend. Let me know in the comment section down below if you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!